In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload audio files to Chatgpt-4. This task might sound a bit challenging at first, but with these simple steps, you'll find that it's actually quite straightforward and quick. So, let's dive right in and explore how to do this efficiently. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT. It's essential to ensure that you're logged in, as this will enable access to all the features you need, including uploading files. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new chat. This sets up a fresh workspace where you can interact with the AI and upload your files without any clutter or distractions. After you've initiated a new chat, your next focus should be finding the paperclip icon. This icon might be familiar if you've used email or messaging platforms before. It usually represents the option to attach a file. Once you locate this icon, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu of options. When the menu appears after clicking the paperclip icon, you want to select the option labeled Upload File. This function is specifically designed to allow users to upload documents, images, and, in this case, audio files. Make sure you select the correct option to proceed with the upload successfully. Now comes the step where you select the file you wish to upload. Navigate through your files and identify the audio file you need to work with. It's a good idea to have this file in an accessible location on your computer to save time during this step. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it and then confirm your choice. Depending on your system, you might need to double-click or hit Open to finalize your selection. After you've selected your file, you'll need to wait for the file to upload completely. The length of this process can vary depending on the file size and your internet speed. You might see a progress bar indicating how much time is left before the upload is complete. It's important to be patient here and allow the system to process your file fully. Once the upload is done, the next step is to type your prompt. This is a key part of the interaction where you specify what you want the AI to do with the audio file. Whether you're asking for a transcription, an analysis, or simply some insights, be clear and concise in your prompt to get the best response possible from the AI. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded an audio file to Chatgpt-4. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on your creative and analytical tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find these steps useful in your future projects. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.